Green Man, and this is second lesson, Wonderful Waste. Today we are going to learn about the wonderful waste. Before that, we tell you short summary of the wonderful waste. Once the Maharaja of Travancore is the their kingdom, and that Travancore's king, that we call their Maharaja also, that the Maharaja of Travancore arranged the feast, grand party in his palace. Before that, he went in the afternoon into the kitchen for the seeing, for survey of that preparation of the party. There he saw so many vegetable scraps in that basket. That time the king ordered, request to that cook that don't waste these scraps and use them. Scraps, vegetable scraps means waste material of that vegetable. We can say in Marathi साल, जे फळांचे वरचे साल असतात, that one. So the king what told that use that scraps also. Now the cook was puzzled. He was thinking how to use these scraps. Now one idea flashed in his mind. What happened? He took all the vegetables, he washed and cleaned this. After that, he cut it in the long strips. After he put them in the bowl and put and placed on the fire. After he added there the paste of garlic, after green chilies and ground coconut and also some salt and cooking vegetables. Now he whipped some curd and also decorated with the curry leaves, means curry leaves, curry patta, and this dish was ready, and he give the name this dish. It is the awai. That is a small lesson. It is. I told you the summary. Now we are taking the lesson. See now. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Travancore, it is the kingdom, and Travancore's king, it is the Maharaja. Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. Here feast, grand dinner. Feast, grand dinner. What he ordered the grand dinner in the palace, he entered the kitchen to survey that dinner. What are you going to do with this vegetable scraps? Scraps, leftover material. वरचे फळांचे साल, leftover material. Leftover material. Now the king is asking question to that cook. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. Where it was, the scraps was in that basket. With pointing it, that king is asking to that cook, what are you doing with that vegetable scraps? The cook replied, they are waste. We will throw them away. They are waste. They are the useless. So I am going to throw this. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetable. Here bits means small pieces. Bits means small pieces. So what he is saying, you cannot waste all the small pieces, bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use it. Find a way, what a way of use them. Use that scraps, wastage materials. The Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. What happened? Commanded here, ordered. sternly. Yeah, strictly. So what happened? Here the king strictly ordered and walked away. Walk away, went away. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. What he did? In a fix. In a fix means confused. In a fix and staring, looking continuously. Looking continuously at the vegetable scraps for some time. Now the cook also very confused because how to use that wastage materials. Suddenly an idea flashed across his mind. Flashed across comes suddenly his mind. One idea come in his mind. He took all the vegetable beds, washed them and cleaned them well. What he did? He took all the vegetable scraps, all the wastage materials. After he washed this and also cleaned this. Then he cut them into long strips. Long strips, narrow pieces. After he cut these vegetable scraps, he put them in a huge pot and placed it on a fire to cook. Fire to cook, on gas. It is he put that huge pot on the fire to cook. Next he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together. Next what add in that? Ground means crushed powder. Ground powder. Some fresh coconut powder it is, green chilies and garlic together. He add, where he add in that scraps, he add garlic, coconut, coconut powder and the green chilies. He added this paste and students, I am Akashi Naikude. Today I am taking 5th standard subject English unit 1st wonderful waste. In first video we saw that Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Before that dinner, he entered the kitchen to survey the preparation of that grand dinner. So what happened there? He asked the question to the cook. So what are you going to do with that vegetable scraps? Because the king saw the vegetable scraps in that basket and he ordered that cook use that vegetable scraps. Now was a cook puzzle and he was thinking about that how to use that wastage vegetable scraps. After that one idea flashed in his mind and he washed, clean it and keep on the fire. And after he add there garlic, green chilies, coconut powder and also coconut oil and he also this decorate with the curry leaves. After in that video we are going to see what happened after this. See now, he add there ground means crush the powder there, green chilies also garlic together. A tempting smell starting coming from the pot. Tempting, very good smell was coming from that pot. Now he flipped here, beaten some curd and added into that curry. He also add the curry, dahi. That also he add in that curry. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves, curry patta. He also used the curd and also he used the curry leaves for the decoration. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. Now the new dish was ready with the wastage material, with that vegetable scraps. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. That evening was the dinner. So he served the same dish to that guest. Everyone was eager to know the name of this new dish because they don't know that new dish. The cook thought and thought, then a name came to his mind. He named it Avail, and that cook named his Avail. That dish name it is Avail. Avail became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in the traditional Kerala feast. And this became the famous in the Kerala. And imagine it all come from a basket of waste, and we can say it is the waste from waste. So dish name it is Avail, and he made it from the vegetable scraps. That is the wastage material. So our lesson is over here. Whatever the question answers that you try to solve this and hard words, I hope you note out the all hard words there, and also solve page number 12, 13, also 14 and 15. Any doubts you have, you can call me anytime.